tragic news coming in of how 6 people lost their lives due to the collapse of a cargo ropeway. They happened to walk on that ropeway when it collapsed. This happened in Pavagadh. In fact, the local police and fire brigade teams that reached the spot as soon as this happened, but 6 people had unfortunately died due to the collapse of that cargo ropeway. This is in the famous Shakti Peeth temple located in Pavagadh. Preliminary information that has come to light that the accident happened due to the breaking of the rope. Panchmahal collector, who has confirmed the death of these 6 people, which include 2 liftmen, 2 laborers and 2 others. Now, according to the collector, the accident happened at about 3:30 p.m. As soon as the information of the incident was received, the local police and the fire department team that immediately rushed to the spot. The administration team has started the investigation after they reached the spot. Gujarat Minister Rushikesh Patel has said, and I quote, in Pavagadh, one ropeway is for passengers and the other is for transport goods. Now, according to primary information, this happened near Tower 1. The wire of the bogie carrying 6 laborers broke and the entire bogie fell down. The 6 laborers who were riding on it died. All their bodies have been recovered and it has also been sent for post-mortem. The collector has set up a committee and a primary report will be submitted to the government. Accordingly, next steps will be taken, unquote.
पंचमहाल के सुप्रसिद्ध यात्राधाम व शक्तिपीठ पावागढ़ में मंदिर रिनोवेशन के लिए इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जो गुड्स रोपवे बनाया गया था वो आज दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो चुका है। मैं सीधे आपको दृश्य बताना चाहूँगा कि इसी केबल से जो रोपवे है वो मंदिर के विकास के लिए जो पूरा मंदिर नया बन रहा था उसके लिए गुड्स मतलब माल सामान चढ़ाने के लिए ये रोपवे बनाया गया था और काफ़ी सालों से यहाँ पर ये रोपवे था जिसके अंदर ये जो माल सामान है वो चढ़ाया जा रहा था पर्वत के ऊपर। और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये रोपवे की जो बोगी है जिसके जो दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हुई है। फिलहाल जो जानकारी मिल रही है उसके मुताबिक मंदिर जो पावागढ़ निज मंदिर है वहाँ पर जो अन्न क्षेत्र चल रहा है उसके लिए माल सामान आप देख सकते हैं, सब्जी वगैरह है, बोतल है गैस के और सारा ही मंदिर के अन्न क्षेत्र का सामान है जिसको ऊपर ले जाया जा रहा था और वही जो बोगी है वो दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हुई है। सबसे महत्व की बात है कि इस बोगी के अंदर जो तकरीबन 6 लोग सवार थे, सारों की मौत हो चुकी है। 6 लोग की मौत इस बोगी के दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होने से हो चुकी है। इस तरीके की खबर फिलहाल सामने आ रही है।
Cutting across to Brijesh Doshi, who's with us on the phone line. Brijesh, give us further details of how this happened. Unfortunate, 6 people lost their lives. This was the ropeway that was used to carry the transport goods. Was it also particularly vulnerable due to the weather conditions? What had happened?
As per the primary information, Shisha, the cargo ropeway trolley used for the carrying construction material up to the hill fell from the 4th tower after the cable snapped around 3:30 p.m. The deceased include 3 local residents, 2 from Kashmir, 1 from Rajasthan. And the police are still investigating the exact reason, though the primary reason is given by the police officials and the Panchmahal collector is that the cable was snapped and that's why this incident was occurred. Even the state spokesperson Rushikesh Patel has said that the investigation has been started and after that report will be come from the local authorities as well. So this was the cargo ropeway. There is another ropeway, passenger ropeway is also there, which ferries the pilgrims to the Kalima temple. But it was shut due to the weather issues. So luckily there was no passengers were there. These all are the laborers, and the big mishap could have been there if the other ropeway was also at that time was going on. But the relief for the administration is that this was the cargo ropeway and it was happened due to the snapping of the cable. But still, the investigation is going on, and after that, exact results will be come out.
All right, Rajesh, thank you for those details. In the meanwhile, let's listen in to what Gujarat Minister Rushikesh Patel has said.
टावर नंबर 1 के पास जो बोगी जा रही थी उसमें 6 लेबर्स थे और ये क्या है पता नहीं है, लेकिन प्राथमिक जो माहिती मिली है उस हिसाब से उसका एक वायर टूट जाने से वो पूरी बोगी नीचे गिर गई और उसके साथ उसमें सवार हुए 6 जो लेबर्स थे उसकी डेथ हुई है। अभी कलेक्टर श्री ने वहां पर इलेक्ट्रिकल R&B स्टेट और अन्य एक अधिकारी पुलिस में से हो या दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से एक कमेटी का गठन किया है और गठन करके प्राइमरी रिपोर्ट लेके फिर वो सरकार में उसको सादर करेंगे। उस हिसाब से नेक्स्ट जो स्टेप लेने होंगे सरकार की ओर से लिए जाएंगे।